Geordi La Forge ʻdʒɔːrdi La Forge is a fictional character who appeared in all 7 seasons of the American science fiction television series Star Trek: The Next Generation and its 4 feature films. Portrayed by LeVar Burton, he served as helmsman of the USS Enterprise-D in the first season, then occupied the role of the chief engineer for the rest of the series and in the films. La Forge has been blind since his birth and uses technological devices that allow him to see, a visor in the series and the first film, replaced by ocular prosthetic implants in the last 3 films. Gene Roddenberry created the character in honor of Geordi La Forge, a quadriplegic fan of the original Star Trek series, who died in 1975. He was not the first to honor La Forge in the Star Trek franchise. A character directly named for Geordi La Forge was written into the 1980 Star Trek novel The Galactic Whirlpool by David Gerrold. A casting call was placed with agencies for the role, which described him as friends with Data and specified that La Forge should have perfect diction and might even have a Jamaican accent, and instructed those agencies not to submit any street types. LeVar Burton auditioned for the role in 1986. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.